one who in authority and has to do judgment, if it be two people, and you have some authority to do that, be just. Don't be unfair. And it's a command in the Quran. This is not just hadith now. Inna Allah ya'mudu bil adl. Be just in your decisions and fair dealings with people. See, a lot of times, a lot of us praise Allah, read Quran, and we fast 40 days, not 30, 40 days. We make 40 Hajj. Oh, subhanallah. But we are very unfair with people. We are very unjust. Some parents are even unjust with their own children. Oh, yeah, don't. Listen. Yeah, you go out in society there and you check, do some balances. You have children and one is in a hikey-tikey position, making a lot of money, have a lot of society status. For some reason, when you see that child comes home, he has a different status too, by the parents. The parents forget about the mother went through the same pain for all these children. Now it's money talk and BS walk. You know what BS means? The big shake talk walks. So don't think Shaikh Shafayat said something wrong, I remember. BS means big shake. So all the big shake talks go down the drain. That son or that daughter who has some status and education and money and give you fame in society, you already become unfair to them. Blood, children, parents be unjust with.